thyssenkrupp Automotive Body Solutions is a constant companion to the automotive industry as a system supplier of seal application systems for vehicles with door seals with self-adhesive tape. The fully automated application system presented here consists of the cleaning, application, and drilling stations. Our robot-guided system is flexible to apply seals to multiple vehicle models using innovative roll-on technology. For optimal preparation, the adhesive surface is cleaned of surface contamination by a fleece on a roller. The seal is applied using standard industrial robots. The combination of carrier centering and door fixation guarantees the repeatability of the seal position. The system identifies the start of the seal immediately before the application process commences. To avoid undesirable tensile stresses in the adhesive surface, our patented loop control ensures that sufficient profile is permanently conveyed without tension. The liner is removed from the self-adhesive tape and disposed of automatically. The coordinated software and sensor technology guarantee an accurate joint condition. Contact pressure as well as feed and application speed are constantly monitored. After the automatic station change, the application of the seal for the front door will start. The compact design ensures the system can accommodate future model types and a very high application speed. The system can process seals from all seal manufacturers. The seal buffer enables uninterrupted production. The optical sensor system compensates for tolerances of the carriers and doors and ensures the correct seal position. The use of an endless seal significantly simplifies logistics and saves on personnel and costs. In the optional drilling station, the water drain is inserted into the seal. The drilling residues are automatically extracted. The results are precise and repeatable seal positions with strong adhesion to the door. With more than 200 systems implemented worldwide, thyssenkrupp Automotive Body Solutions has set the standard for sealing applications and customer satisfaction for more than 30 years.